Hey guys, welcome to Mouse and Mermaid. I'm Phil. Tonight, Pauline and I are going to show you our 5 favorite Christmas tree ornaments.
It is December 8th and day 8 of Vlogmas. We are going to kick this video off with my pin advent calendar. It was curated by my friend Mary over at Jolly Holiday with Mary. So I highly encourage you, after you watch this video, to go head over to her channel and see what pin I curated for her that she unboxed today. Today we are opening up this little walk-up. I'm so excited. I got the Charmed and Cozy I'd Rather Be at Disney. This is actually the sister pin to a fall pin that I got from Charmed and Cozy. And it has a little hidden Mickey in the florals. Just adorable. Mary, thank you so much. Now let's get into today's video.
So this is going to be kind of fun because I kind of started to decorate the tree and then I got distracted and sat down and Pauline did the rest of the work. So I don't know where they all are, but I can see a few. So in no particular order, I'll tell you what my number 1 is, but in no particular order, we're going to start with my guy right here, Frank Sinatra. The reason I like this one so much is I'm a big fan of the Rat Pack in general. I like the whole era of big band music and like crooners. Obviously, the style is fantastic, the classic suits, and Frank just embodies everything that we romanticize about Italian-American culture in this country, and I'm super into it. Also, it sings.
I've been a puppet, a pauper, a pirate, a poet, a pawn and a king.
So, moving on from Mr. Sinatra, a sentimental favorite of mine is our mortgage lender, who's a personal friend of ours, actually had this ornament made for us, and it's a picture of our house on the day that we bought it, and it says the Murphys new home established 2019, and that is our lovely brick front home.
It says new adventures, new memories, and we've had a lot of adventures and memories in this house.
So number 3 is my guy Miko here. It's not actually Miko ornament, the real one's upstairs on my tree, but Pauline got me this one from Pier 1. And she actually, he doesn't have it right now. I don't know why. It must have fallen out. But she actually made him a little biscuit because she knows that my favorite Disney character is Miko from Pocahontas, because I'm into little cute creatures that are also kind of jerks and like to get into mischief, sort of like me. Miko's also my favorite because he'll do anything for snacks, just like me. So moving on, next we have Maui, the icon from the lobby of the Polynesian Village Resort in Walt Disney World. It's my favorite resort. So those little tiki torches actually light up. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but 3, 2, 1.
Ah.
And last, but certainly not least, because it is my number 1 favorite, we have the Partners. It's just a little bronze statuette of Walt Disney and Mickey Mouse himself. And as the saying goes, it all started with a mouse. And that is why it is my favorite, because this kind of exemplifies the beginning of something that became extremely important to not only myself, but to Pauline as well. And it's very important in our lives. So this is my number 1 favorite ornament.
So this right here is my number 1 favorite ornament. Phil gave me this towards the beginning of when we first started dating. We went to the Nutcracker together. So this is a very vintagey, classic looking ornament. It has a lot of sparkle, a lot of texture, and it just signifies kind of the beginning of our relationship and our love for Christmas. And I just love this one down here. We got this one on our honeymoon. So this says Disney Moon 2019, and you can see it has all the different parks. So we have the castle, you have Spaceship Earth, the Tree of Life, and then you also have Tower of Terror. And we got it customized. We always like to do that right there in the Christmas tree shop in Disney Springs. And now we're upstairs in my office at my little tree here. So I also love this Little Mermaid ornament. Had to pick a Little Mermaid ornament, and she is this pretty pink color to go with my blush tree. And she has some nice iridescent toning on her tail. And then I also love this little macaron. So if you've ever watched my channel, you know I love French macaroons. This little ornament is so cute, and I actually got this with Phil's mom, which is special because it just is an ornament that reminds me of her. And I also love these little ballet slippers. I'm pretty sure my parents got them for me, and they just remind me of when I used to dance and just how much I love the Nutcracker at Christmas. So these little ballet slippers are very lacy, and they have some beading on them. They're just so beautiful. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this favorite ornament video. We hope to show you more ornaments in the future because we have a lot and don't plan on stopping. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and comment below. Tell me what was your favorite ornament that we showed you today. And if you enjoyed this video, we would love for you to join the Mouse and Mermaid family. You can do so by subscribing. I hope that you have a great rest of your day and a very Merry Christmas. Peace, love, and Kwaherini. Before you go, we wanted to make sure you had a chance to catch our feature in-park video for Vlogmas. You can find a link to the video up above or down in the description. In this video, my cousin Mia and I take a tour around the World Showcase, trying lots of different food. This is part 1 and probably one of my favorite videos ever because I have this epic pizza fail. I hope you'll go give it a watch.